Building owners and facility managers have more at stake than just time and money. These facilities are a key part to their everyday business operations. When it comes to protecting your building and business, costly problems can creep in.
Evaluating the enclosure of a building is critical for uncovering problems due to lack of maintenance, improper design or materials used, or improper installation. We can discover problems such as water intrusion, which can lead to long-term problems down the road.
These kinds of system failures can result in increased energy costs, mold growth, and premature deterioration of building structural components, which all lead to expensive repairs. Conducting comprehensive assessments is no easy job, but it is a specialty of Terracon.
The common approaches to these inspections have been to use lifts, ladders, suspended scaffolding, and rope access, and in some cases we still do that today. But they can be limiting and costly. So today, along with hands-on inspections, we use newer technologies to help gather data and get a more complete picture of hard-to-access areas. With unmanned aircraft systems, or drones as they are more commonly known, we can safely access many more areas of any building or large structure, such as a stadium or a hospital with potentially millions of square feet of roof and walls. We can observe them much more quickly, looking for telltale problems like cracks or open joints.
We can see things we could never safely access before. Better yet, we can let our clients see them with us, providing a higher level of information for their decision-making process.
Terracon has a wide range of experts and experience in all aspects of facility assessments in environments all across the United States. With this kind of visual data in hand, we can advise our clients, presenting them with specific options to correct problems long before they become too costly.
For any building enclosure project, big or small, routine or complex, Terracon is the kind of partner you need.